Hi children, the lesson we are going to do today is in your ERA workbook, page number 45. Okay, let's see what we need to do. How do we get our food? Most of the food that we eat are from plants. We get food from animals too. Now children, a very important and a very interesting topic is on food. Now you know we need to eat every day for us to give our bodies energy, isn't it? To give our bodies energy and for us to grow, you know, with having the nutritious food we grow, isn't it? We need to eat a variety of food, no, like vegetables, fruits, meats, different things. No, then we drink milk. So we see that this balanced diet is very important for us. Now in today's lesson, what they are telling us is that we get food from plants and animals. Now you know we get fruits and vegetables and the greenery, no, or you know, we call, you know, when we make a salad, you know, these items come from plants. You know, fruits and vegetables come from plants. So we pick the fruits from these plants, no, different plants. I am sure in your home garden also you may be having certain fruit and vegetable plants. So I hope you have started growing some vegetables like I advised. So it's good to grow something in your home garden. So we know these fruit and vegetable items we get from plants. Then there is certain foods that we get from animals, isn't it? Like the beef we get from cows, then chicken we get from hens, and then we get fish, then we get pork from the pig, then we get mutton from the goat. So like that we see that there are different meat items we get from animals. Then we get the eggs from the hens, then we get the milk from the cow or from the buffaloes or from camels. No, there are different varieties of milk also, but mainly the milk that we get is from the cows. No, here in Sri Lanka the main thing that we drink in milk is from the cow. Okay, so you can see in this page they have given us different kinds of food. So meat items, I know some of you eat only different kinds of meat, you all don't eat all, but I hope when it comes to fruits and vegetables and the greenery that you all are eating all. Usually the advice is for us to have 5 different varieties of fruits and vegetables a day, because not like eating meat, fruits and vegetables and greenery give us a lot of nutrition, no, a lot of vitamins, because these are all natural. No, we can eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, but when it comes to meat, other than fish of course it's good, because it's very good to eat seafood because they are not high in cholesterol. But if we are eating other meats, we have to eat in moderation. We can't eat too much of it because it's not good for our bodies, because it has a lot of fat that will get our cholesterol levels high. No, so certain food that we get from animals we have to eat in moderation. Okay, now let's see what we have to do. Circle the food that we get from animals. They are telling us to circle the food that we get from animals. Now look at the page. What are the food items that we are going to circle? We are going to circle the fish. We can circle the fish. Then we can circle the chicken. We can circle the eggs. Then the milk. And then the honey. Now honey, from where do we get? What is the animal? It's from the bees. No, bees, they collect the pollen or the honey from the flowers and they have a beehive. No, can you see at the back? I don't know whether some of you have seen the beehive. They have beehives on trees or inside the bark of a tree, and this is how they collect the honey. No, so we get honey from bees. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Tick right the food that we get from plants. So tick the food that we get from plants. Now what are the food that we get from plants? We are going to put a tick. So we can tick the first picture, which is vegetables, then the second picture, which is greens, then the third, which is fruits. Then what else are we going to tick? that we get from plants. Can you see below there are pulses? No, pulses means rice, dal, corn. You know, like in Sri Lanka we have, no, we eat on Mondays, you know, cowpea, kadala, mung atta, no, green gram, all of these are from plants. So we will tick this all of this also, because we get it from plants. And then next to it, what is that? Potatoes, then yams, no, then you get batala or sweet potato, and you can see these are the yams. So we will tick this as well, because this also we get from the plants. Okay children, so this is the work on page number 45. Okay, so you will do this work. This is the work you will do today. So you will circle the food items that we get from animals, and you will tick the items that we get from plants. Okay children, so this is the work for today. Till I connect with you next. Bye.